Alright, backtesting on my spare time. Let's see, guys. Okay, let's get this shit up. Yes, yes, sir. Take away this one and this one. Let's move that to the side, make it 5 minute, and this to 1 day, and also change this to New York. There we go. Okay, what do I see? I see this low has been taken out now. Nope, it hasn't. So this is our show on liquidity, and we have taken previous day. Just gonna check where we are. Yeah, we are on the next day. Okay, so let's go back to 1 day. We are currently on Monday, so it's a new week. So I do expect this week to be bearish because of this huge momentum down previous week. So let's go to the daily again, or the 4 hour. Let's see what's happening. We can see this huge wick that manipulated this high, and then we went lower. And so I do want to see that price wants to rebalance this huge wick to the 50% consequent encroachment, and I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so this is the 50. Let's get note of that. Let's go to the 15. Nope, 1 hour. Next, we can see that we have inversed this, and we are now tapping back into it, and we are respecting it. So we might see a move higher. So we are bearish on the daily, and the lower time frames are showing that we are some sort of bullish. So let's mark this out as one of an inverse fair value gap, and then I do think this high would be taken out if we do respect this. But let's see. Let's go to the 15. 15 also have fair value gap over here, and also this breaker block after going higher. So let's see what price wants to do. Let's go out and mark out our orders. And there we go. 3 o'clock. Okay, so we do have Q1 here. Q1 is taken. And we have also Q2. Q2 hasn't been taken yet. We have also the Q1 low here. That's already been taken. And we have the Q2 here. So after we have taken so much sell side liquidity, I do think we want to go higher. We can also see that price respects this 5-minute fair value gap at the moment. So let's be aware of that. Let's see if price can close or go above this. Oh, sorry, this here. And we also have this inversion fair value gap over here. Let's see if price wants to respect it. And we move on to the 1 minute. Let's see what price does. So price goes higher, and it took out this. Okay, so what do we see? This would be a continuation trade. We do have this inversion fair value gap, as we said, on the 5-minute IFSG. This is 1 hour. We can move that to the side, and we do expect that price maybe want to go back to test this low, because we took out, if we zoom in on ES, we have yeah, so we do, this is lower. Yeah, so we do have an SMT here like this. Let's wait and see what the price does, and it goes lower, and it's probably going to go higher. Yep. And so this would be our entry point here. This would be the breaker block. We could have taken a trade from here. There we go. And the stop above the low, and the trade higher. This would be something I could have taken. But yeah, let's see for sure. Okay, so let's mark that out. did inverse this. Let's go back. Template, no, there, replay. Yes. Okay, so we do have to go through the process again, but that's not to worry. We can do it quickly. Okay, let's make this NQ. NQ. There we go. It was actually a very good setup, showing everything I needed to see, and I told you guys. So let's go. Let's make this to New York. Let's go to the 1 hour because we had this IFG here, and we did want to target 4 hour 50. Do you think the 50 will be respected or go to rebalance this huge wick? Let's go to the 1 hour IFG, sorry, IFG here, and we go to the 15. We see this gap as we saw it earlier. Let's go to the 5. We also respected this, and what I also saw that we had this 5-minute IFG. So let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, what does the 1 minute tells us at the moment? We did also have 3 o'clock over here. We need to mark out our Q2 high. We have a Q2 high here. We also had this high, as we mentioned. That was the price 5-minute confirmation that 50-minute that we were going to switch bullish. No, this was the confirmation that we were switching to bullish on the 5-minute, and we can see all this resting liquidity over here, and we have taken so much sell side liquidity. So yeah, let's go forward. And now we took out this high, and we do expect price to come back to this as it does. It taps in and it closed above. So when we saw that, we can take that trade. Stop's gonna be below this. And let's see what the standard deviation is. Standard deviation is this high, so let's mark out that. And let's see if we can get this a little bit closer. I would maybe put it that way. Let's see. Breaker block. So what we have now, we have the overall higher time frame PD array that's been taken, or we have tapped into the 1 hour IFG after enclosing it. So I do shift bullish on the lower time frames, but as we said on the daily time frame, we were bearish. But since we took out this low and that price are tapping into this higher time frame PD array, and we also enclosed this 5-minute fair value gap, showing us that the price doesn't want to respect it, and also we enclosed above this high, giving us a change of character. We can take that entry. Change of character up. So let's see. So this would be a 1 to 2. Let's play this, and that will be no, this would be 1 to 2, and let's see, 1 to 1. Actually, let's take it back and let's place trade, not limit, market save, boom, copy link. This is Monday 24th of January, Monday 24th of January 2022, and we can see that we are in a higher time frame PD array. We took Q1 low. We did have an SMT as well. We inversed, and we did take an entry of a breaker block. And what else? So our liquidity is a fixed 1 to 2, and also what else do we have? Do we have something? We have all this resting liquidity over there. So overall, we can target this, but let's see. Let's see what price wants to do. And I also hide our repeat array. Yeah, low resistance liquidity. Okay, so let's copy that, paste it in here, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Also, let's make it to 1 to 2. There we go. Or actually 1 to 1 first. See when we are going break even. There you go. And we are break even. Now let's go to 1 to 2. 1 to 2 RR. Let's mark that as break even. Just goes. And we are taken out at break even. That's unfortunate. But that would be negative trade. Copy the link. And let's paste it in here. Link, yes. Break even. Right. So could we have seen any entries here? We did take Q2. This is now Q2. Could we have taken this? Wait. And we had a change in state of delivery here. Just our character down. We could have taken a trade from this fair value gap over here after price. No. If we don't have an SMT either, or at the tops we have, but no, I couldn't have taken a trade here. So yeah, but yeah, we go bearish as we thought, and that's outside our time frame, so we are done with that session. So let's see. Let's delete this, and let's delete these, this, and this. Let's go to the next session. All right, next session. Let's go back to 1 hour. We are still bearish. So let's see. Okay, for our, there's nothing much on the left side. We have all this low resistance liquidity, but we are bearish overall. Let's see, 1 hour, 15. We do. So 15, we do have this fair value gap, but we also have all this demand supply origination zone over here. But let's see what the price wants to do. Let's mark out our orders. We are very bearish, so I want to take a bearish trade in this. Not gonna be bullish in this scenario. I don't want to be bullish in this scenario. Maybe to these relatively equalize. But let's see what price shows us. Okay, so this is our Q2 low, Q2 high would be this. So let's see, 9:30 open, and we go lower. So this could be a market maker buy model, and if price can disrespect this 5-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, because we do see we have that change in state of delivery over here. This is our character up, and we do see that internal low being taken out or manipulated, and we reject. So if we can get price to close above this 5-minute, we can look to take a long but I want to see momentum. So now, there we go. That's momentum. All right, so we did now close this, and this could be an entry, but the stops is too much. So let's watch for price to come lower. Maybe it wants to, yeah, it taps the 5-minute fair value gap. Could we have taken a trade from here? Does it make sense? No, it's too big. And let's see, it saved us. And now we manipulated the high. And did we get... We also have the SMT here, so be aware of that. We did enclose this fair value gap, which we could have taken a trade from and taken a sell. But I would have wanted it to close this low. So we could have taken a sell opportunity here because we do have the SMT, and we did enclose this IFG, and we also did get a change of character. And so our trade would look something like this. Nope. Something like... No, it's too huge, too large. Can't take that. Let's wait. I do think we want to go lower. Yeah, as we said, I want price to go lower. Yes, and it's the 50 wanted to manipulate, and it still respect that. Fair value gap over there. So nothing yet. We could have entered off of here as well, and we still go lower. So we could have entered. This could have been a re-entry. We do have that SMT over here, and we have that small fair value gap, but I do think it's too small to be taken, so I wouldn't have taken it. So this day I don't think I want to trade because it's so bearish, but let's see. So we have had some opportunities. 5-minute now is changing character or changing structure by shifting here, or it might just take some liquidity and go further down. But we closed with one-sided gap, and we have this that aligns with this breaker block over here, and this inflection point. And so we might want to take that just to be a reversal trade, but we are bearish, and it's a too large of a stop loss for me to take, and I don't know why that is. Okay. So the trade would look something like this. But I don't want to take it because the volume and the momentum down. But as we see, it would have been stopped out. And yeah. So I didn't want to take a part of that, and I'm glad I didn't. And I said I could have taken some trades here, but the fair value gaps was too small. So let's move on. Not trading that session. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening. All right, so we do have the daily previous day high, and we do have the previous day low. And I do think that price wants to come back, re-imbalance at least 50% of this huge wick, so we can mark that out. That's my thought process. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry. So 4 hour, we can see that price is respecting this 4 hour fair value gap. 4 hour fair value gap, and we are going lower. Let's see what the 1 hour shows us. nothing much. We have this huge candle and we are still in this range, and ideally we want to sell above and buy below. Buy premium, sell in discount. So let's see the 15, what does the 15 show us? So 15 have tapped into this order block over here. We also can just mark out this just to be a little smaller. And we also have taken this internal low, but we have closed above, back up, so we haven't closed below yet. And that low is always okay. So 5-minute, we do have this small fair value gap that price might want to go back into. It also is in another fair value gap, so let's see. But we need to work out our quarters. Let's do that. And let's mark out the highs. And this is our low. That's been already marked out. Let's mark out this high, Q2 high, Q1 low. Okay. So we might want to get to this low as well, so we need to be careful about that. We also have this 5-minute fair value gap that we might respect. So let's see what price wants to do at this 5-minute fair value gap. Let's zoom back to the 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, we have tapped into this 5-minute now. We also inversed this with momentum, so I do expect us to go lower. So I want to take a sell here, not gonna be. That also follows the order flow. So let's see. We can go higher, we go lower. We did have this change in state of delivery, but we also have this low, so this can be manipulation. We need to be aware of that. Change your character down. Let's see, we do make this fair value gap. Let's see if we can take a sell from here, and our stops above the high, and target that low. Okay. Doesn't make sense. It does, but I don't think we want to come back up. Maybe, but then our stop would be a little more tighter. But let's see. Okay, let's do that. Let's mark this as a 5-minute fair value gap. 15, 1. And ideally, I would like some liquidity to be taken, but as we can see, we also tapped into the 6.18 extension area, so this could be not trade. I would like it to inverse a fair value gap or something, but let's see if we get tapped into this. Let's place order, make it a limit order, save, and we do. So let's take a screenshot of that. Let's copy link. I do think maybe we want to go higher as well to this, maybe to this origination zone, because we see that we have this and it goes up, manipulates, and then go lower. So we might see it go higher and then get the sell, but let's see. And let's do this, copy link. I might be in the early trading or the early traders move. This is the fake out. We go higher, manipulate, and then go lower, maybe. So let's see. But we just take this. 25th Tuesday. 25, 2022. We haven't taken any. We have taken like low resistance liquidity, but okay. So we do have a change of character there, and we did react from a higher time from beta ray, and we are seeking to go lower, and we do have an SMT on these highs. We do have the SMT, but this might just be the move. And we don't have any IFG, break block, or something like that. And fix 1 to 2, higher time frame beta ray. So, do you think this is going to be a loss? But let's see. Yeah. And that's that. Nope. I need to take a picture. Copy link. Let's see if what I told you guys is playing out. This was the fake out. We then manipulate. To go lower. Let's see. Nope. This 5-minute. Now we also have this 5-minute. Let's see. Okay, so I'm more willing to take this because we do have this fair value gap now, and we do have this momentum, and our stop loss should be about that. We also took this high, and so nope, buy side liquidity. So can this be buy side? Okay, and let's see if we will take our low hanging fruit, and eventually this. So 15, okay. Okay, let's see if this works out. Okay, so why am I taking this? Why am I taking this? The bullishness. We are higher time frame bias says that we are going to go lower, but this huge wick might want to go higher. But let's see what price wants to do. We just take it for educational purposes only. All right, again, 25, 2022. Boom, now we are in the higher time repeat array. We are taking IFG. We took out IRL, internal liquidity, fixed 1 to 2, Q2 low, and this. So what I would like for price to do is go lower. Okay, I don't like that it slows up or are slowing down. Let's see, 1 to 1 is about there. So let's see what price wants to do. At this low, 1 to 1. Okay, so we do tap 1 to 1. And we can go break even now. Let's see if we go to 1 to 2. We do tap 1 to 2, so let's take off 75%. Save. So 75% at this 1 to 2. 1 to 2 RR. We could have probably let it go, but let's watch it play out to this low or go lower. This could be now or no. And this is our manipulation leg, so it does work out. There we go. Let's see. Go lower, and we get stopped out at break even. So, how much did we take? 3 point. Okay, so it wouldn't work that well with 3.5 either. But we did get our 1 to 2. So let's copy that. Embed link, boom, boom. Win. 2RR equals 75%. Rest of break even. I needed to see some sort of buy side LQD be taken out for me to take a sell, and that's why this did work and not the above. Sell did work. Did not. And that's why this did work and not the above. The work take a sell, and that's why this did not work. And that's why this did not work. Alright. So that's good. Let's go to the next session. Let's see what price has for us today. Do we earn some money or not? Okay. Let's see. We are still just ranging. I probably would not trade this because of the ranging market, but let's see if we get any setup. 6 to 9, 9 to 930. Alright, we do have this high. Or actually, let's go to the 5 minute, and we have this 5 minute low, quarter one low, quarter one high, quarter one low. Alright, so what do we see? We have still not met the 50%, so let's see if we can do that. That would be nice. So this is a manipulation. Go lower. Do we have something on the 15? 15, we have this fair value gap over here. 15-minute fair value gap. We also had this, that's been respected. And we haven't closed this. And this was probably just a manipulation, tapping into this and go lower. So I do expect us to go lower. But the bim baba boom, wait, just do 930 open. Let's see, we open and we tap right at the fucking 15-minute fair value gap. Alright, that's nice. Let's see if we can enclose this now. That would be great. 1 minute IFG. Let's see some. Sorry, there we go. It's like I'm reading the markets, guys. Holy shit. But let's see if we do end up getting an entry here. This will be a fucking large key. Don't like that. I don't like that. Our stop loss should be above this high, but you know what? Let's see. Let's make it a little bit further up. Let's make it at this 50% of that fair value gap. Let's see if we do want to do what I want the price to do. Nope. Place order. Okay, place order, limit, save. See, oh, we got stopped out. Okay. So I'm not reading the market, guys. This is just for educational purposes only. Right, to yet another day of 25th of January 2022. Let's go see we did. So we took out Q2. Q2 high. And we did a change of character. We did have the IFFG. Fix 1 to 2. Q2 low. And yeah. Let's see. Was this a loss because of the stop loss or? Nope, that was a good stop loss. So rather that. Alright, let's move on. Maybe not take any trades at the open. But let's see, 15, let's see, we did enclose below and we are in this higher time frame bid array. I also need to make this to higher time frame bid array. Nice. Maybe this is our setup. Stop loss is still huge. It works out though. Let's see. So makes sense for price to go lower. We have rebalanced to the 50%. And yeah, do you think this is going to work? But I don't like that the stop loss is this huge. That what worries me. But yes, let's see. Let's see, man. Market. Same. Bada bing, bada kobe bling. Or this is just trash, man. I'm just trash. 2022, not forget that. I'd have repeat array with the internal liquidity. We have inverse to fair value gap. And we haven't changed character. We do show some sign of momentum, but yeah. Fix 1 to 2. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. I'd have repeat array. That would be this low. And let's see what price wants to do. 1 to 1, for instance, is our. Yes, so 1 to 1. That's good. And yeah. So this is our break even. To our 70%. Save. Let's see, do we get full TP? We don't. We do. Alright, let's mark that out. So I am actually good at trading, guys. Just joking. I'm not. I'm just gambling. This is a win. 2RR equals 75% off. Rest full TP at 3.25. 3.25 RR. That's great. Lessons. Why the frick is this there? Okay. Equal high, Q2 high, Q1 high. What the hell? Right. Let's delete this. Okay. So the lesson was maybe wait a few minutes before entering after the open question mark, because we did like after 10 minutes we did get our trade. Our full TP was 50% of, was it a 4-hour week, wasn't it? Yeah. No? Wait. Am I tripping, guys? Was it this? What? No, what? One day. Yeah, it was a daily. Ah, I see. One previous day. 50% of previous day week. Alright. Let's see if price wants to go lower or it wants to react off of the 50%. As it does, it actually do. Let's look at that. Look at that, guys. I do think that's... Is that a coincidence? No, I don't think that. Copy link. Let's just copy that and make it... As I thought, price reacted off the 50% the previous day. Look at that, guys. It's like I'm a magician. Magician. Okay, so we could have taken a trade here as well. We could have, because we took out the low. We took Q too high as well. Fuck, Q too high. Not Q too high. I forgot. Sorry, guys. Alright, so the buy entry here could be something. Wait, let me see. Okay, nice. Alright, so the buy entry here would be actually this. Bada bim, bada bloom. There, we change of character. Up. We do have this fair value gap. And it aligns with the inflection point, which means we take that trade there, right there. And the stop below the lows. And 1 to 2. And it goes right to take profit, guys. Very good. But I need to check this out, because I don't know why that this is a large of a stop loss. I usually like 160, and if I would have put this to 160, I wouldn't have been taken out at I wouldn't have been taken out, but and I would, oh shit, I would have get better risk reward ratio as well. But yeah, I just don't like when it's too large of a stop loss. But it would have worked higher. So let me write that out. Stop loss was about 230, but it would have worked out with 160 as well. Yeah, 130, yes. But it was a good risk reward ratio. Maybe have a rule: if the risk to reward ratio makes sense to the overall price action, we might have a bigger stop loss. There we go, guys. Alright, let's go to the next silver bullet. We don't trade that. And next. There we go, guys. All right. So what do we see here, guys? Previous day low, previous day high. Which one do we take? I do think this is going to the downside. We took out this high again, and now we just bada bing bada poof and went lower. So let's go to the 4-hour. Actually, let's go to the daily, because this was an inside candle. So this is our previous day high now. Wait, what? Okay. Previous day high, this is our previous day low. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, so we are respecting 50%, right? Yeah, we do. All right, so then maybe we go higher, actually. But we are bearish, so we need to keep that in mind. But since we closed within the previous candle, didn't take the high or the low, we need to wait to see if either the high or the low gets taken. But yeah, let's see. 1 hour. So 1 hour time frame, we saw that price manipulated this high, sorry, and then went lower, took out this low, and now we are within this 1 hour inverse fair value gap. Oops, didn't mean to do that, guys. Go to the 15. What does the 15 show me? We are consolidating, so let's mark that out. But this quarter is out again. 1:30 to 3 p.m. I mean a.m. Let's go to the 5 minute. We do have this quarter 1 low, quarter 2 low, quarter 2 high. Right. So perfect. Okay, what we want to see here. What do we want to see? I want to see this get rebalanced because it has huge momentum and it's probably much orders here. So let's mark this out. Let's just mark this out. 5 minute fair value gap. But before that, I want to see some sort of buy sell liquidity, such as this highs. So if we do take these highs, manipulate, and then go lower, we do also have this 50-minute fair value gap that price wants maybe to respect. And yeah, so let's see if price wants to come back up to this high. All right, guys, that's our plan. But we do adapt and we do this shit. So let's see. Okay. So we did take the high, the Q2 high. All right. No, we don't. Didn't. There we did. Okay. We go higher and higher and higher and higher. And now we want to go higher. And now we want price to go reaction. 50-minute fair value gap. And reaction and reaction and reaction and reaction and go lower, lower. And let's see if this gets inversed. And also if this gets inversed, we also have this change in state of delivery. Let's see. And lower and lower and lower, 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 lower. Let's go lower. Lower now. Okay. I am cooked, guys. We didn't get our setup. Unfortunately, we are just going to go higher. So maybe this rejection block actually. We have tapped 50%. Wait. 5 minute. We do have this 5 minute gap now. And let's delete this bullshit. Okay. So what does the price show me? Nothing yet, nothing yet, nothing. Actually, we do have this change of character here, change of character down. And let's see if price can and close lower, 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 lower. Nope. doesn't seem like we get our entry, guys. Or actually, we do tap into this. And 5 minutes fair value gap. No, 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap. Or now it's an IFRG. I need to correct up that, guys. Reset our view. We do have no SMT here. That's some bullshit. Okay. Alright. 15. So the 15 is respecting. Do we want to go lower though? I would like to see price change instead of delivery below this low. And we don't. So no trade, guys. No trade, no trade. And it's outside our. But we do establish these equal lows for the next session. So let's go to the next silver bullet session, guys. All right, let's zoom out. 15 hour. Right, what do we have? We need to remove this. Okay, so it seems like previous day high gets taken out, meaning we are so bullish. We are super bullish. We can just press buy and we get profits. No, okay, let's take it. Let's see. We do have this 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap. Let's go to the 15. What does the 15 show me? 15 shows me that we have these relative equal lows, but we also have this fair value gap. 50-minute fair value gap. But I want to see some sort of sell side liquidity get taken out before we go higher. So let's go to the 5. Let's mark out our quarters. Bada bing, bada boom, skapachang, kadong. There we go. This is our Q2 high, this is our Q1 high, this is our Q1 low over here. And this is our Q2 low. So let's see what price wants to do. And ciao. Okay. Market open. So we do go higher and we go lower. Again, I do want to see price to come back down to this 1 hour and then go higher. That's what I'm expecting price to do. Okay. Go slower, lower. We took out Q1 now. Let's see if we take out Q2, sorry, Q1. And we do tap into it. Let's see if we get a reversal here. Kaskakaklau. 15. So nothing yet. There we go. So this could have been an entry on the 15-minute, but yeah, it doesn't seem like we don't get a setup. Actually, would I've taken this? I don't think I would have, because we do have this and we do have this. Doesn't make sense. It does. We get a 1 to 8 though. And nah, this will just shoot up like yeah, see. So this could have been our entry, because we do have this what's it called, guys? Because we go lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, change instead of delivery here, change of structure, up, and we create this fair value gap. So this is a valid entry. But again, we have the huge stop loss that fucks me. I don't know, man. Let's see. We got stopped out. We would have hit. We could have hit at 1 to 2. Actually. Yeah, that does make sense. I wouldn't have taken that, guys. Sorry to say it. I don't want to take that. Okay. So now price is ranging and it's probably just going to go range. Yeah, so there would be no trade here. Maybe after taking the Q too high, previous day high took so much liquidity. We did get that change from sort of delivery here, guys. Change our character down. And we had this 1 minute IFG. I did close lower. Close lower. Lower, bro, sure. Go lower, higher, lower. Yeah, there's no entry for me here, guys. And respects the 1 hour and goes higher. I swear to God, this is going to go higher. So let's see. It taps into here, goes here. Entry off of this, stops above the low. And bada bloom, I'm gonna get stopped out. Ciao. Of course not, guys. I know what I'm talking about. And we also have this SMT, right? Right? Nope. No. But so why could have we taken this trade? It's out of our silver bullet session, but let's see. We did take this low. We went higher. We did take this out, change of character up, but this is just internally. We did inverse all of this, and we see that price reacts off of this order block. And again, after price closed above, we could have taken market entry, change of character up. Market entry on this candle stops below the low, shouldn't go lower because that's the market order or market structure. Bam, katakalang, kataklong, skapachapadong. It could have gone like here, but if it was to go lower, I wouldn't have seen price to go higher. But as you guys see, this is a clean. And let's see if it goes to our standard deviation. And it doesn't. Or does it? No. Or maybe. Yeah, it does. Look at that, guys. Perfect. On news. But yeah. That was that 1 hour. So I ended up in plus, I think. This is just in these sessions on 2022, I'm taking the trades I would have taken with extra confirmation and that. So I'm following my rules and everything. And I'm also doing that in the 2023 backtesting sessions. But under these sessions, I'm not going to do that because I really want to practice to go after the high probability trades. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace.